Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Today we're going to be working on the Canon MF-8380 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you send a print job to your printer from your computer and everything comes out just fine, but as soon as you go to make a copy or a scan of that same item, you start getting blemishes or lines, anything like that, it's going to indicate there's something dirty on your scanner glass. So the best way to clean it is use a lint-free cloth. Your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have glass cleaner, you can use rubbing alcohol. It'll work almost as well. And then if you lift the scanner, you'll notice that there's actually two separate pieces of glasses. There's the big flatbed scanner, and there's a little strip of glass on the left side of the printer. That little strip of glass is where, whenever you use the top document feeder, that's where they get scanned. So if you've noticed that you're getting all those blemishes when you're using the top document feeder, then you're going to want to focus on this little strip of glass on the left. Otherwise, you're going to want to focus on the plate glass for your flatbed scanner. In our situation, we're actually noticing the blemishes happen when we're using the top document feeder. So that's where we're going to primarily focus on that little strip of glass on the left. You want to apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. You never apply your cleaner directly to the glass. If you apply the cleaner to the glass, there's a good chance that the cleaner could seep underneath the glass and cause a lot more problems. So always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. And then you're just going to give it a good cleaning. You're looking for any kind of ink, whiteout, tape, anything like that that can cause any kind of defect. And sometimes it can be a little stubborn to get off. So just give it a good cleaning. And then visually inspect it afterwards, kind of see if you see anything else. So just kind of, like I said, it can be a little stubborn to get it off. But once you're happy with it, you should be good to go. But while we're here, let's go ahead and wipe off the flatbed scanner, just because they're highly prone to getting fingerprints and things like that. Might as well do both while we're here. Alright, so those both look good. So now that the glass is clean, I've run a couple other copies or scans just to make sure that all the blemishes and lines went away. And then if you're still getting a faint line or faint blemish, it's probably just something that's really hard to see. Just go back over it one more time and that should take care of it. Other than that, you should be back up and printing.